Hello viewer, if you face RCS chat setting unavailable or RCS chat setting not working, let's see the solution. Step 1. Tap and hold on Message app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Go to Google Message Storage. From here, clear cache data from Google Message app. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now tap on search icon. Now search Message app. From here, update your Google Message app. After complete the update process, go back to your home screen. Open your Message app. Now go to your message settings. Tap on Message setting. Now go to RCS chat.